What up, what up, what up? Let's go ahead and make a watch list for tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. We're going to kick it off with Aflac. We got an ascending triangle on the daily, big bullish engulfing. So looking for this to go ahead and really break out. That's the game plan. I want to see Aflac take out the highs from today. All right, so that would be above 70.82. Mark that off, set an alert, bam, 70.82. Want to see it take out that high. That's going to get us real close to this high over here, which is 71.05. We got 71.14 and 71.13. All right, so once we break those levels, 71.15 will give us an actual breakout over those previous resistance levels with those wicks over there to the left. And then we'll be able to go ahead and take that swing if you want to get the early entry and trade that breakout once it actually triggers, or if you want to take the safer path, let it pull back and retest a couple of days later. All right, it's your prerogative to do what you want to do. Vertex is actually breaking out of a ascending triangle. So this is the same move I'm trying to get on Aflac. All right, same sort of thing. Trend line support coming up, horizontal resistance. Go over to Vertex. And we have a trend line support, horizontal resistance. And this is the breakout that we're getting, right? $5 move today. I did post this on Instagram over the weekend to take calls on. All right, so looking for a continuation on this. If we can get the continuation, that would be a break over the high of 359.34. So set an alert for 359.35. Ideally, with all these, a 5-minute close would be great to actually show that price held that level. Otherwise, we can get triggered and then it just reverses back down. So you want to wait for some sort of confirmation. The other thing is, just like Aflac, we can have broken out, pull back, and retest this level. So if we start coming back down, I'll set an alert there as well, which would be 355. I'll throw it at 356.11. Just so I know we're pulling back and I can look on a smaller time frame and be able to take advantage of that opportunity. So I'm going to set 2 alerts on this one. One for the continuation, and then one for a pullback so we can get a retest and enter on the retest and kick it back up higher. Applied materials, 1 hour, more of the same. Are we finding a pattern here? Ascending triangle, looking for the breakout once again. We got our highs over here at 146.55, 146.65, and 146.50. All right, so 146.57, taking out those highs. Alternatively, setting an alert on this trend line as well. If we do pull it back to my trend line, then I'll be able to take a bounce entry there. And that'll give us another easy entry. Another way is to just take the low over here. All right, so maybe we pull it back to this level as a support, which is 144.75 or so. All right, you can set an alert on that as well. Keeping it rolling, DQ. All right, more of the same. Are we finding the theme? Trend line support, horizontal resistance. Looking for the bounce right here. Post market, it is down. If it opens down here or opens down here tomorrow, that'll be great because your risk to reward will be fantastic pre-breakout. We can go ahead and enter it down here off the trend line, stop out. We start pushing below these lows, and we have all the room to take it back up into the supply zone for a 4.5, just about risk to reward on that trade. Lots of room to move up. Quick, tight stop loss. If we trigger that, we can go ahead and cut it. Look for more opportunity. Ross, got some room to come down. It's holding this support. Today, we see actually this last couple of days that this has been a heavy support. All right, so we want to actually see us bounce off of that to take the trade. We have an inside candle on the 3 hour that we can look for a trigger up on. If we take out that high, which is 110.42, send an alert on this for 110.45. Trigger that up. We have the inside bar that we start kicking up, and that's going to help us to carry up to a potential breakout. Clear resistance here at 112.50 area, so that can be a take profit on the $2 move up. Lastly, UNH. All right, UNH, huge move up after earnings on Friday, and then we just basically consolidated today inside of that range. So we got 2 opportunities here. One, inside day down, which will be triggering us at 478.30. All right, so for a whole flip back down. So I'm gonna set that alert, 478.30. Again, want these to ideally close at least above or below our trigger levels on the 5-minute time frame to give us more confirmation that it is actually happening. Can take the trigger entry just a little more risky to do it that way. Or we take out the high of the inside candle, which is pretty close to the outside of 485. So we can get above 485. 485.05 or 06 even. And then we have this gap above that we can look towards filling as well at 490. So we got some room above. We got plenty of room below. On that downside move, probably not going to get a full move back down inside this whole candle today. So I'm going to drop down to the 10-minute, see if we can find some potential levels where we can have some take profits, right? So I see that level here where we pull back to. If I drop it down even more, I just want to find some areas, bam, there's another area that acted as a support. All right, so that could be another TP on the way down if we get that move. So with that being said, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks to look at for tomorrow with trigger entries for those trades. Make sure y'all write those down, put them on your trading view, set your alerts, and make some money. Like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube for more videos. Y'all have a great trading day tomorrow.